Oh boys! Wrong channel, sorry. Anyways, the plan for today's video is to go ride the pit bikes at my good old buddy old pal's house, Brandon Price. This guy right here, you may have seen him before, I don't know, maybe. Not exactly sure if we're gonna be playing pit bike tag or riding the track or what we're gonna be doing today, but the pitter is completely stocked so far. It is a 125, so I guess I do have a little bit more CCs than they do on their 110s, but this thing literally has stock bars on it. That's the first thing I gotta do. I need to order some bars. What's going on here? I need to get my stuff ready and then load this thing into the back of the truck, and then we'll be ready to go. I had to come back and get the camera. Let's go.
Hi, Ryan.
Hey, what's up, dude? What are you doing?
What? You get your new bike?
That's right.
Yeah.
You like her? Gotta get some parts on it.
I like it a lot.
I like it a lot. The dream bike looks sick now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Not the dream bike.
Not the dream bike. It's all gray. Oh, my bike's getting stolen. Excuse me, sir. That's not yours. Big pit bike guy.
Massive.
Damn, this is a big bitch. Golly, I feel like I'm in a lifted truck. Squeaks just like my pit bike does. Everybody's just using Brit's goggles. Get your own, you fiends.
Oh, yeah? It looks like I'm in Stranger World right
Strange, what is that? What the dog doing? The pit bike is very, very, very stock. And we're gonna be riding with people that pit bikes are not very, 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 very stock. But that's okay, cause we have an extra 15 CCs. What? Hey man, what? Did you take Miller's goggles or what?
Oh, I had 2 sets.
Oh, so now y'all both can have your pretty pink goggles.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Yours is so loud and spicy.
Where's your kill switch? Oh.
Right there. Hey, that was nice. Oh, big wheelie guy. Oh, they're matching goggles. It's so cute. God, these handlebars are so short. Ah!
Welcome to the track. Have you ever ridden on this track?
I have not ridden on this track, and I don't like tracks.
A right-ish.
Left turn, right hand turn, right turn, left turn. Okay, got you. I'm pretty sure this is a roller. Yeah, it is. What is this? What was that? Why is that exhaust so loud? Oh, there's rollers here. This is so much fun.
Right?
I'm already having a blast.
Am I going up or what?
I don't know, he might be pooping. Is this a berm or is this just pine straw? I don't even know. I got sketch. I just threw my goggles. Letting some air out of the tire because I had it really high because I didn't want to pop a tube, but it's kind of slippery. This is my first time actually taking this bike to the track. Well, a track. And so far I'm loving it, dude. It's so much more comfortable than the 110 for me. Are y'all over here kissing? Oh, we completely missed that one. We got a whole train of pit bikes. Inside. We ain't both gonna make it. I'm going through the rollers. Oh, you're getting on the fast one, huh? I got so much like dust in my teeth. It's like chomping on sand.
So light.
You're letting it loose, bud.
Dude, this thing rips. Have y'all ever seen a monkey f***ing a football? Yeah, that's what I feel like on this bike right now.
Well, what about me?
That's like a bear riding a chicken.
Vape? No. CRF 125S stock exhaust. Oh, it rattles a little bit. Yeah, dude, take her for a ripski. All right. These bars are so wide. Buddy needs some grip glue. Take Miller's for a spin. I'll take my 125 back. F these 110s. Here's your steed. Oh, I gotta practice my starts. Jake railed the outside. I can't see anything. Jake is just gone. Go, Braydon, damn, you're slow. Oh! I stalled it. I stalled it. I was trying to pass him on the inside, and then he just went inside on me. Boys, I'd say we got railed by Jake.
Yeah, Jake's pretty fast.
I think what happens is he doesn't want to lose to Jake.
Well, he's gonna lose to me. I passed him in the middle of that.
He was going so slow around that corner. I was like, Braydon, let's go. All right, you ready? Oh, Braydon's got him. Miller's trying to take the inside. It didn't work. Oh, Miller's trying to make a move. Braydon won. That was a good race.
All right, Ryan.
Am I racing you? All right, looks like I'm racing Miller. Miller's fast, so I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take the inside on him.
You got inside. I'll give it to you, buddy.
Thanks, bud. Good fucking race. I just kept looking back and you were just right there. I was like, oh my God. Oh my God, he's doing wheelies around me. Why are you so good at that? Oh.
All in favor of the host being in first for tag? Am I host? Yeah. All right, I'm going back to the house and I'm counting to 30. Everybody freaking go and hide because I'm coming for your ass.
All right.
If I tag you, you're a part of my team and you are a tagger.
Wait, hold on. Can we tag with either our hands or the bike?
Either or.
Either or. All right, so street rules. All right, here we go. Last time I rode with this motherfucker, my butt cheek was purple for 2 weeks. All right, bye. I think I'm gonna chill on the track for a little bit and just wait it out, see what happens. Wow, I can see how this game gets a little boring when you're hiding. Guess I'm gonna listen to some music. Good. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. He's coming. I don't even have time to put my glove back on. Yeah, so I'm gonna go the way he's not going. I'm gonna pull a Christian and go hide in the garage. He'll never find me here. Haha. I'm gonna hide behind his truck right here. Haha. Now where was I? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I hear him out there. I don't know if it's him or someone else. This is so scary. I don't want to have to go chase everybody. Okay, I think we're good. Uh-oh. 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 Miller! He didn't see I was here. God, that thing's loud. He didn't even see I was here. I don't know if he's it or not. You know what? I'm bored. I'm going out. Who's that? Is that Jake? Someone left a massive one-wheel peel. Uh-oh, there's Miller. Uh-oh, there's Braydon. Uh-oh, this isn't good. Bye-bye. Come on, I hear him, I'm so scared. He sees me. No, 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 no. You can't use Outlander to tag me. Ah! Water doesn't even stick to me anymore. Oh, come on. Come on. I'm quick on my feet, boy. You don't even know. Oh, it was worth the try. I'm gonna get you, boy. I cannot see anything. Get him, Brett. I'm gonna go back here in case he decides to pull any monkey business. Jake, I'm coming for your ass. What is this? What did I just ride through? Why is that bike so fast? That was sick! Let's go! Woo!
I trapped Ryan in the garage and closed the garage door on him.
He was trying to touch me and I was scared.
Did you shut the door on him?
Yeah, he trapped me in.
The Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man? You're not gonna find me. Peter said to go behind Garrett's pond, hit the trails on it. He said it'll take you out on the other side. And I'm gonna give her a go. Oh, there it is right there. Look at that. Oh, dude, he is not finding me back here. Is this technically out of bounds? I don't even know. Dude, these go so far back here. That's kind of cool. Little tree overhang. Dude, where am I? Look at that. Just a big circle. I hear him over there screaming. Come out here and get on my bike and play pit bike tag with me. It'll be funny. Get on the old trusty steed.
This thing will carry both of us?
Oh yeah, she's a ripper. Look, there they go. Oh my. He already got me.
Nice. That didn't last very long.
No, it didn't. Oh my God, big wheelie guy. Did you already get them?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Exactly.
Oh my shit.
Ah!
Where are you going? For what?
Fishing Maverick.
And Goose?
Alright, you're it, Ryan.
Damn, okay. What do I do? Count to 69?
Count to 69.
What's happening? Well, how is Garrett running so fast? I've never seen you move so fast in my life. I'm gonna pull by this stinky turd. 1, 2, 3, 7, 9, 12. Damn, Garrett, you got some meaty ones on here. There's Jake, I think, over there. I can't tell. Hey, he's waving at me. I might try and go left and try and catch him by surprise. Play the long game, but hopefully catch him slacking. All right, I feel like it's been long enough. I'm gonna go left. We love you, King Julian. The Muffin Man. Sick Harley did. Right now, they're probably thinking, where the hell's Ryan? But I'm gonna catch him by surprise. Now, where are they? I see Braydon over there doing wheelies. I'm gonna go get his ass. Oh shit, he sees me. They see me, no! My plan got ruined. I know I saw Braydon go to his house, so that's where I'm gonna go. I'm still not going for him. I'm going for Braydon. We're just gonna be doing donuts. Hey! Why? Hey! Hey! Let's go!
I felt like I was on 2 wheels. Hey,
no way!
Okay, let's go.
Never done that before.
That would be a clutch lever.
Well,
The lever you need the most.
damn it, Bobby.
That ain't good at all.
Nope. That's not good at all. At least it was kind of cool.
Yeah, I guess it.
I don't even know how I'm going to be able to do this. Oh! It started in gear. She's good, boys. No, it's stalled. No. Well, that was smooth. What the? Where's he going? Oh no! It stalled. Oh my God. No, it stalled. No. Come on, clutch. Come here, boy. I'ma get you. I don't have a clutch. We're just all doing figure eights. Are you it?
Come on.
Woo! Good shit. God, that took way too long. He came in so hot. Dude, you were kind of ripping on that. Like, you corner really fast on it. Oh my goodness, that was so much fun. Definitely got to come back here and do that again. Got to get the clutch fixed, I guess, and order some new bars. They're not bent, but they're just way too small. So you got the biggest ass crack stain I think I've ever seen on a person. Give her the spin around. Let's see it. Let's see it. Give it. Does my ass have crack on it? Oh, Miller's doing donies. All right, guys, it was real. It was fun. It was fucking real fun. Bye. Oh my gosh. Braydon was over here doing like hand motions and shit. He was like, all right, hope you guys had a good one.